Okay, so what is the present continuous tense? We're going to find out right now. But until then, just remember, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more English, expand your vocabulary, and become more of a confident native speaker. But we're going to find out what present continuous tense is right now. Let's get started. Alright, so the present continuous tense. Actions that are happening in the moment and ongoing. Still happening in the moment and ongoing. Things still happening. Happening now, right now. So for example, he is wearing suspenders. He, me, I am wearing suspenders. Teaching. I am teaching. And we could say learning. You are learning. I am teaching English. She is teaching maths. They are teaching science. You are learning English. You are learning maths. Or they. Well, she's teaching maths. He is learning maths. They are teaching science, but he over there is learning science. Happening, things happening now, still happening, ongoing, with an ing at the end. Learning, wearing. I am wearing suspenders. I'm wearing a shirt, but I am not wearing a hat. But we'll get on to that later on. I am writing on the board. Let's keep going. There's a few more things. Okay, so let's look at the spelling rules as to how to make the verb in the continuous tense. So most of the time the verb, we simply add ing to it. So talk turns into talking. Teach turns into teaching. Walk turns into walking. Walking. I am walking to class. I am teaching my class. I am talking to you. You are listening to me. Yeah. But then it gets a bit weird because English is always weird. Choose. C-H-O-O-S-E with the E at the end. We get rid of the E and add ing. So choose. I'm choosing which ink, which colour pen to have. Choosing. Then also look at this. Writing has E at the end. Drop the E and add ing. Drop the E, add ing. Choosing, I'm choosing which pen. I'm writing with the black pen. But then look, some words have IE at the end. So tie, like tying a knot. Get rid of the IE and add Y. Y, so tying. I'm tying a knot. I'm tying my tie. I'm tying a bow tie. Lying. He's lying to himself, telling false truth. Not telling the truth, he's lying. Lying. Then look here. Shop. This has a consonant-vowel-consonant. So look. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Last three letters. If it's consonant, vowel, consonant, vowels being A, E, I, O, U, then we double the consonant. So shopping, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. We double the consonant and add ing. S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. Look at this one. Cutting. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. C-U-T. Cut. Cutting. Cutting something. I'm cutting my paper. I am going shopping. I am shopping for more pens. I need more pens. Running out of ink. Running. That's a good one. R-U-N. Run. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Running. A-E-I-O-U. R-U-N. Two consonant, vowel, consonant. U. Double the N. We're golden. Running. How cool is that? So, that's the spelling. So you use these verbs with the ing, the Y, remove the E, or double the vowel, double the consonant, add ing to create the present continuous. To create the verb that you're talking about.
So let's look at a few ways to create
nice and crazy.
and some
There's a few more rules.
So
let's keep going. We have the be form. So something happening, the verb, plus the present participle. So something's happening now. That's worth understanding. So he is wearing the ing. No, the ing. He is wearing. He is wearing a hat. She is wearing. I don't know what she's wearing, but she's wearing something. Yeah. You could even say that I am wearing suspenders. God love those suspenders. They are walking. They are walking. It. Not just people, but things. It. It is snowing outside. It is, well, not now, it's June, but it is snowing. It's snowing somewhere. Maybe in Heilongjiang, Harbin, China. It's snowing somewhere. It's snowing in Canada, Harbin. She is dancing. She's dancing. She's dancing. They are dancing. Those people there, they are dancing. They are dancing. They are dancing. Yeah. Can you dance? I don't know. You tell me. Well, comment below. He. What's he doing? He's not dancing. We know that. He is talking. He's talking. You could even say he is talking from your perspective. He's talking. Yeah, he is. Yeah. I'm talking. He's talking. Yeah. So using a sentence like that, where you're talking about the verbs, add the ing, he, she, it, they, are, be, doing something. And that something is happening now. It's happening now. Now. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, not maybe, not could, not should, not would. Now. And that's the key thing. Now. But let's keep going. Let's keep going. For example, one of the other things that are worthwhile considering how to do is creating questions in the present continuous tense. Simple. We just swap the be form around. So we go from he is playing to is he playing. These two get swapped about. The is, the be. He is playing. Swap them around. He is playing football. He is playing rugby, cricket. He is playing. He's playing. Is he playing? Is he playing football? Is he playing cricket? Is he? Is he? Is he playing? I don't know. Maybe. She is learning. She's learning English. She's learning maths. She's learning. Is she learning? Is she learning? Is she learning English? Is she learning maths? Is she learning? Or is she learning maths or English? Is she learning? Is she? So we have the is plus the subject, person, you, he, she, it, they, them, plus the verb with the ing, that's quite important, ing, and the rest of the sentence. So is he dancing over there? Is it snowing outside? Is she talking to me? Is she talking to me? Is he travelling abroad? Is he travelling abroad? Is she learning science? Science. Is it raining? With rain, with water, rain, need an umbrella. Not snowing, raining. Oh. Is it, we could say, snowing, raining, thundering, not really a thing, but is it working? Is like the clock, for example, the watch, is it working or is it broke? Is it broke? Is it working? You could even go, is it functioning? But that's a bit too out there. Not really a thing you'd say willy-nilly, but is it working? Yes. Cool. Yeah. So that's questions. Just swap them around at the start. He is turns into is he. How cool is that? Let's keep going. But how would you go about creating then negative sentences? By adding no or not. So we add not after the be verb. So he is not wearing a tie. He is not wearing a tie. Not wearing a tie. Not wearing a tie. So we can either use not or isn't. Simple contraction. Is not. Is not, not. Is not, I-S-N apostrophe T. That apostrophe replaces the O. I-S-N apostrophe T. Not. Depends on the structure of the sentence. If you're going to use not or isn't. But the verb stays the same. We don't change the verb. It's worth knowing that. So we could say then, he isn't. He isn't dancing. She is not learning. She's not paying attention either. She's not learning. Ooh. They are not here. Oh no, well yeah, but they are not walking here. They are not coming here. Coming or going. Oh, that's a different video, that is. So we have then he, or they, or she, I, or it. The am, is, or are, which is the be form. So he is not, he is not something with the verb, with the ing, and the rest of the sentence. He is not wearing a tie. She is not learning to dance. They are not going to the party. It is not working correctly. Again, the watch is still broken. It's not working correctly. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it? So we just add the not in the sentence. He is not. She is not. They aren't. Are not. And again, A-R-E-N. Get rid of the O. Replace it with an apostrophe T. A-R-E-N apostrophe T. Aren't. They aren't coming here. They aren't learning English. They aren't talking Spanish. They aren't going abroad. They aren't. Those people, all of them, they aren't. They're not watching the film. How cool is that? Negative sentences. Just add a not. Or a no or a not. Isn't, aren't. How cool is that? Let's keep going. One more thing to cover. One more thing. Okay, and that one more thing to cover is the summary. How cool is that? Wrap it all up. So look, subject plus am, is, or are with the verb, with the ing, and the rest of the sentence is how you go about making present continuous tense. So you are watching, ing. You are watching a video. Ah. She is learning. She's learning. She's learning. She's learning. Good on her. He is running. Running. Run. Double N I N G. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So look. Consonant, vowel, consonant. So we double the consonant and add ing. Running. R-U-N. So R-U-N. The U, the N, double the N. Running. Consonant, vowel, consonant. R-U-N. Remember, a vowel, A-E-I-O-U. Consonant, vowel, consonant, double the consonant, add ing. Running. And they are choosing. They're choosing. They're choosing which one? Drop the E, add the ing. Drop the E, add the ing. Drop the E, add the ing. Again, the vowels. These vowels are really bullied about, aren't they? A-E-I-O-U. They're like piranhas. They're like the pariah of the letters, the alphabet. If there's somewhere, suddenly there's problems. Ooh. Okay. So, swap the be form to make a question. So, she is learning. Is she learning? You are. Are you watching? Is she dancing? Is she walking? Is she talking? Is she squawking? Is she drinking? Are you paying attention? Are you subscribing? Are you watching? Are you listening? Are you reading? Are you writing? You are writing? You are writing. Are you writing? Are you writing? Is she running? Running. Here we are again. Running. Is she running? He is running. Is he running? Is she running? She is running. You tell me. You tell me. But also remember that the present continuous tense is things happening now, right now, things ongoing. Not something that will happen or something that happened. It's happening now, right now, now. That's the caveat. Right now. But right now, if you want to keep learning English, to expand your vocabulary, improve your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman, then subscribe to the channel and check out other videos out there. But press also the bell notification, the bell icon next to the subscribe button, so you never miss a video. Yeah. But until then, keep learning. Keep going. Keep going. But for those of you that stick around to the very end, here's a bonus lesson just for you. Now, action verbs, like doing words, things that are happening and occurring, action verbs, can be in the simple and continuous form. But action verbs, so I drive, I am teaching, I teach, I am teaching. But stative verbs, states, like feeling, sensing, emotions, things like that, not so much with the ing. So you would say, I own 3 cars. I own 3 cars. You wouldn't say, I am owning 3 cars or I owning 3 cars. It's I own 3 cars without the ing. She is smelling the flowers. She smells the flowers. She smells the flowers, not she is smelling the flowers. So sometimes the state verbs don't have ing. They just change the sentence a little bit. She is, he smells the flowers, they smell, let's think, they own, they have, they feel, they taste the water, they taste the wine, not they are tasting the wine, they taste the water, they taste the wine, she tastes the wine. Subtle differences, depending on the verbs, but that's worthwhile understanding and knowing. But, also, I did another video about the simple tense and the present tense that I did just there. Check it out sometime. You could learn more things. How cool is that? But until then, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more English, more vocabulary, and expand your confidence and speak like a native Englishman. Then subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again next time. Bye for now.